You like that? Hi.
He looks so chunky compared to when the last time I took care
Oh,
of him. His cheeks have
yeah.
gotten so much bigger.
I guess his head is a little swollen still.
Oh yeah, he's definitely
Yeah. A demon.
still puffy.
Yeah.
So I'm giving him Bumex right now, and I'm going to give his Vanco, the antibiotic, and just his sodium.
Okay.
That he gets 4 times a day.
Alright. You gotta make real poop, none of this soft stuff. Okay? You having a spa day? Huh?
He's like, oh yeah, I'm getting my massage. Got his music.
His face is so funny. I have no idea what's going on, but I like it.
Do you think his hair is growing too?
In the back, he's like,
He's got a mullet.
yeah. Yeah.
One of my boys is like that too. He's got like this little, like, it looks like a duck butt in the back because it like flips up. And then he's like totally bald on the front. I'm like, awesome.
What about the other one?
The other one has just blonde hair coming
really?
in all over. But yeah.
Funny.
And I don't want to cut his hair yet. I don't know why. I'm just,
It's sentimental.
I don't want to cut just his little ponytail.
Can you remind me, can we multi-dose some of the vet trials, or is that still, it used to be that you bottle